Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make a braised pork leg, yeah, 红烧猪脚. This is actually a rare pork leg. It's usually more fattier, yeah. Up to you whether you want to use front or rear. Totally no right or wrong, yeah. Only thing is the rear part got more tendon and then more fattier. And then the special thing about the pork leg I'm using today is that it is actually using machine cut, yeah, and because it is machine cut, therefore it doesn't have any bones debris, so it is cut very evenly. All right. So of course, first of all, you need to blanch it. I always emphasize this whenever you are cooking pork leg, you must blanch it. How you blanch it? Very simple. Get ready a pot of cold water. Put in a few pieces of ginger and a bit of rice wine. Then, when the water is still cold, put in the pork leg. Bring up the temperature. Let it boil for a couple of minutes. Done. Wash away all the scums. Yeah, take out the bones. Take out the pork leg and wash away all the scums. So that way you will remove 90% of the gaminess from the pork very successfully. Then I will be putting in some shiitake mushroom. This is a rehydrated shiitake mushroom. And then I'll be towards the end, after everything is done, I will add in some sea cucumber. This is definitely optional. And I'll be cooking together with some hard-boiled egg as well. Let's look at what do we need to make the braised broth. So first of all, I have some 13 spice powder. If you can't find 13 spice powder, you can use 5 spice powder. Few pieces of garlic, some sliced shallots. This is fresh coriander roots. Few pieces of ginger. This is cinnamon stick, star anise, bay leaf, some bit of rock sugar. I don't have enough rock sugar with me today. I only have about less than 1 tablespoon. I will add in another tablespoon of sugar later. So we will need about 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then this is the ready mix pack of the braised powder. You can buy any brand that you can find from your nearest herbal shop. The one I'm using is this Luwang, right? There are few small packets inside, yeah, or like small tea bags like this. Very, very fragrant. It will definitely up level your braised pork feel level. Seriously, must give it a try. All right, so let's start with making the braised broth. Once the oil is heated up, you can put in the shallot, garlic, and also ginger and fresh coriander roots. Saute it a bit. We'll come back shortly, like about 1 minute. We brown this a little bit. After you start seeing the shallot started to brown, you can actually add in some Shaoxing wine. Right, give it a small bowl of Shaoxing wine and some water. This is the herbs powder. That one is the bay leaf, cinnamon stick, star anise, rock sugar. Like I said, my rock sugar is not enough, so I'll be giving in a little bit more sugar here. Some salt, a few rounds of light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, I have some mushroom water, some 13 spice powder, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, made out of 100% natural ingredient. Few dashes of white pepper. And let's bring this to a boil. While waiting for the braised broth to boil, we can actually start putting in the pork leg into our pressure cooker. Try to even them out. You don't want them to stack up too high, yeah? Too tall. Give it some. This is the hard-boiled egg. And then shiitake mushroom. So we just want the broth to cover the pork and the mushroom, everything nicely. We don't want the broth to be too diluted. Right, the broth has been, the braised broth has been boiling for the past couple of minutes. Let me slowly put this in. Wow, just nice, ngam ngam. If necessary, I can add in a little bit more liquid. Let me see. Oh, just nice. Everything is nicely submerged. Okay, then I'm going to move this over to my pressure cooker. So here's my pressure cooker. Put in the inner pot. Cover it with a lid. Let me on it. Let me see. High pressure, 30 minutes, start. Make sure the pressure valve is closed. Okay. Right, so just let it pressure cook using high pressure for 30 minutes, yeah? It will take probably about 45 minutes to 1 hour because mainly, number one, it has to first build out the temperature inside, make the water boiling, and then after boiling, it will create vacuum and pressure. After that, it will pressure cook for half an hour. Then it will take another 15 to 30 minutes to release the pressure. So all in, everything will be done within 1 hour. Then it's almost ready. After that, I will take out some broth to cook the sea cucumber separately. This is close to about 45 minutes. Let me manually release the pressure. So once this pressure valve go down, meaning the pressure has been fully released. All right, done. I can now safely open the lid. Oh, super, super fragrant. Right, so here's my pork leg. Everything is nicely cooked for sure. Look at my pork leg, very nice. So the pork leg is ready. I'm just going to take out some sauce and I will use the sauce to go and cook the sea cucumber separately, yeah? Because the sea cucumber you cannot cook together with this, it can melt. I have taken out some broth, the braised broth, and here is the sea cucumber cut into big chunks. You cannot cut the sea cucumber into too small size because it can melt, yeah? It will shrink. After the sea cucumber cook, it will actually shrink. So I'm going to cook this for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. That should be good enough. And of course, later this broth is going to reduce and thicken up by itself. If you prefer some thicker broth, you can put in some cornstarch towards the end also. Really up to you. This is only now after about 10 minutes. You can see it has shrunk. Yeah, the sea cucumber has shrunk and it has changed color, meaning the flavor already gone inside. This is good enough. I'm going to put this back into the pressure cooker. Alright, so here's Appa, very simple braised pork leg with sea cucumber. If you have some fresh coriander, you can actually put some fresh coriander on top. Right, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Some people ask Appa, say this, I should show them how soft and tender is the skin. See? See? See how soft is this? See? Very, very soft. Soft and tender. You decide how tender you want to be. If you want it to be even more tender, then you can actually cook it for 40 minutes, high pressure. Yeah, up to you. Thank you very much. Oh, if you're using normal pot, you need to cook using normal pot under medium low heat for at least 2 hours to 2.5 hours. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.